Okay, this is Donnie Cisco. I'm just doing a quick little area rug. So you put your microfiber down, or your whatever bonnet you're using. I'm using microfiber. Put your glider up on top. Take your machine, set it on there, and with the glider, it'll move incredibly easy. See? One hand, I got one hand on the camera and one on the machine. And what I like to do on area rugs and most rooms, I like to go side to side in one direction till I get to the end of the room or the rug. And then when I get done, I go the other direction, forwards and backwards. You'll see here in a sec, because that's what I'm going to do. So I clean it. There's no reason to do it this way. I just do it this way. If you want to do it a little different, you can. But this is my way, and my way always works, so I stick to it. But you can see how easy I'm moving the machine around one-handed. I use gliders. It just makes everything better. Makes the machine move quick and easy. And it doesn't keep it from being a deep cleaner to a shallow cleaner. It cleans just as deep with a glider as without a glider. That don't change how it cleans. It doesn't mess up anything. Now this is a quick video, but that's it. It's clean. So it's nothing to it. Oh, I gotta clean this couch, but I'll do it another time. I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't want to. So anyway, there's the Oreck. There's the Pump Zero that I use. I love this thing. I've used this thing for several years. They don't seem to wear out. And I guess I've heard people say they do, so you might get unlucky, but this one's been lasting for probably almost 3 years. It's a great sprayer. Real quick here. There's your glider. Sticks well. As you can see, that area did not get used, so it created slippage from the glider, so the bonnet spins so much faster. Here's the glider. They don't take much to them. So, but anyway, that's the video. Bye-bye.